Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is the path to light. The path to light. That means a new door is opening, a new idea has just sprung into your trajectory, into your mind, into your intuition. It's time to act. It's time to walk down the path that is lit for you. So many times we're watering so many of our gifts, watering so many plants, having the keys to so many doors, having the access to so many paths because we're so talented in so many different ways. But what path is lighting up for you the brightest? What plant is actually growing and blossoming and blooming the most? Which door is actually opening to you without any struggle? It's time to go with what works for you. Everything else is going to come along the way. I'm not saying you can't take these other paths and journeys and you'll be able to experience the things you want to experience, but take one step at a time and be great, so you will not be left behind. Honestly, you can't be left behind because you're too smart to not take great opportunity. I make the conscious choice to move toward the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into my strengths and become an all-powerful being by mastering my thoughts. Positive energy brings positive thoughts, blessings, abundance, and breakthroughs. Negative energy, anger, grudge, resentment, doubt, fear. Now that brings lessons where you need to learn. We'll be teaching you why you need to let these things go, why to stay out of these energies so you don't run into these lessons ever again. Every negative, there's a positive, so always stick to the positive so you can live life, not feel like you're sustaining and surviving. You deserve blessings. You deserve breakthrough. You deserve an ease and loving life. That's what is here for you. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. We don't fight against it. We just go with the flow and we stay positive. Hard times, harsh times don't last for long. I develop my gifts and I extend my light to every being unconditionally. And you have such a beautiful being and a beautiful light that everyone needs to see that I know you're willing to share. Tough times, harsh times do not last always. They only last for a short time unless you want to stick in that situation and be angry about it and think about it too much. Then it might last a little longer. But as long as you keep on moving, handle the things that you can handle, and the things that you can't, you let go. And you continue to be great. You enjoy life, and life is much better and easier that way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.